how to block user on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. So I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. Here in your Telegram homepage, okay, go to setting on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. In settings, okay, here you can see the privacy and security. Okay, tap the privacy and security. Here in privacy and security, you can see on the top the block users. Okay, so I have non-block user. So you can tap this, and now here you can see the block user. Okay, to block or to add block user on your Telegram, okay, you'll have to do is tap the block user here, and you can see the list of chat user. And also you can tap the contact below, okay, to show the contact on your Telegram account. So for my example, here in chat, so I block this Cabile. So okay, you'll have to do to block this user, okay, tap this, and automatically block this Cabile. So okay guys, we have successfully blocked the Cabile. So another, for my example, tap the block user again. Here in contact, I block this Raon Satondo. And okay, I have two block user to my Telegram. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully blocked user on Telegram. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.